Determinants of curriculum development Pay 5 Odisha B.Ed and Education Honors. Determinants of curriculum development. Introduction. Curriculum development is the process of designing and organizing the content, learning experiences, teaching methods, and assessment strategies of an educational program. It is not a random or isolated process, rather, it is shaped and influenced by several factors known as determinants. These determinants reflect the philosophy, needs, values, and aspirations of a society, and they guide educators and policymakers in framing meaningful and relevant curriculum for learners. The determinants of curriculum development can be broadly classified into the following categories. 1. Philosophical determinants. Philosophy is the foundation of curriculum. It determines the aims of education, the role of the teacher and learner, and the types of knowledge and skills to be included in the curriculum. Key philosophies influencing curriculum. Idealism focuses on moral and spiritual development. Curriculum includes subjects like literature, philosophy, and ethics. Naturalism emphasizes learning through nature and experiences. Curriculum is child-centered and based on individual interests. Pragmatism promotes activity-based, problem-solving, and experience-oriented learning. Realism stresses practical knowledge and scientific thinking. Progressivism encourages flexible curriculum based on learners' needs and democratic values. Thus, philosophy provides a vision and value system that directs curriculum goals, content, and pedagogy. 2. Psychological determinants. Psychology helps in understanding the learner's needs, interests, developmental stages, and learning processes. A good curriculum must be learner-centered, taking into account how students think, learn, and grow. Key psychological theories and their impact. Jean Piaget's theory emphasizes stages of cognitive development, example concrete, formal operations, and readiness to learn. Lev Vygotsky's theory suggests learning occurs in the zone of proximal development, ZPD, through social interaction and scaffolding. Bruner's spiral curriculum advocates for learning by discovery and revisiting concepts at increasing levels of difficulty. Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences curriculum must include varied activities, linguistic, musical, logical, bodily kinesthetic, etc. Psychological determinants ensure that the curriculum is appropriate to learners' mental abilities, interests, and emotional needs. 3. Sociological determinants. Society plays a vital role in shaping the curriculum, as education is meant to transmit culture, values, and prepare students for social life. Curriculum should reflect social needs, aspirations, and problems. Key sociological factors. Culture and traditions. Curriculum should reflect the local and national culture, festivals, art, and history. Social change and modernization must include content that prepares students for modern challenges, technology, urbanization, etc. Social equity and inclusion. Curriculum must promote equality and remove biases related to caste, gender, class, or religion. Community participation. Local knowledge and values can enrich curriculum relevance. Sociological determinants ensure that education contributes to social cohesion, democracy, and nation building. 4. Political determinants. Politics influences education through laws, policies, ideologies, and government initiatives. The curriculum is often shaped by the ruling government's educational philosophy and national policies. Key political influences. National education policies, NEP such as NEP 1986, NEP 2020. Constitutional mandates, e.g., Right to Education, RTE, Act 2009. Ideological factors, socialist, democratic, secular principles influence curriculum goals. Educational Commissions committees, recommendations by commissions like Kothari Commission, 1964 to 66, or National Knowledge Commission. Political determinants guide curriculum content to ensure national unity, patriotism, citizenship education, and social justice. 5. Economic determinants. Curriculum must prepare learners to participate in and contribute to the economy. Education is also linked with employability, skill development, and economic productivity. Key economic aspects. Employment trends. Curriculum includes vocational and skill-based training to meet job market needs. Industrialization. Focus on science, technology, management, and entrepreneurship. Global economy. Inclusion of financial literacy, computer skills, and communication abilities. Resource availability. Economic capacity of a country determines allocation for education infrastructure, TLMs, etc. Economic determinants ensure that curriculum helps in national development, poverty reduction, and workforce preparation. 6. Technological determinants. Technology has revolutionized education. Curriculum now includes digital literacy, coding, AI, and encourages the use of ICT tools. Key technological influences. ICT integration, smart boards, online platforms, virtual labs, and digital resources. Media and Internet. Curriculum must teach students to critically engage with media and online information. STEM education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics emphasis. E-learning, blended learning models and use of apps for personalized learning. Technology-based curriculum enhances engagement, innovation, and makes education accessible and flexible. 7. Environmental determinants. Due to the rising concerns over climate change and sustainability, curriculum must sensitize learners about environmental issues. Key environmental aspects. Environmental education, topics on pollution, conservation, biodiversity, and climate change. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs curriculum aligned with global efforts like SDG 4, Quality Education, SDG 13, Climate Action. Green skills, training in eco-friendly practices, waste management, organic farming, etc. Environmental determinants ensure curriculum promotes ecological consciousness and sustainable living. 8. Cultural and religious determinants. India is a diverse country with many languages, cultures, and religions. The curriculum should reflect this pluralism while promoting secularism. Key cultural aspects. Mother tongue education, language in early years as per NEP 2020. Folk art, music, dance, included in art education. Festivals, rituals, customs, integrated in moral and value education. Religious sensitivity, curriculum must be inclusive and not promote any single religion. Cultural determinants ensure curriculum builds respect for diversity and promotes national integration. 9. Curriculum theory and pedagogical trends. Educational research, curriculum theories, and new pedagogical models influence what and how curriculum is developed. Key theories trends. Constructivism, curriculum based on exploration, inquiry, and real-life experiences. Competency-based education, CBE focus on learning outcomes and mastery. Bloom's taxonomy, designing learning objectives from knowledge to evaluation. Integrated and interdisciplinary curriculum, themes across subjects. Curriculum must align with modern teaching learning philosophies to remain relevant and effective. 10. Global determinants. Globalization has influenced curriculum by encouraging international understanding, cross-cultural learning, and 21st century skills. Key global influences: UNESCO and SDGs promote global citizenship, peace education, and sustainability. International benchmarks, PISA, TIMSS, etc., influence educational standards. English as a global language, increased focus on English and communication skills. Global careers, curriculum includes transferable skills for international employability. Global determinants ensure that learners are globally competent and competitive. Conclusion: in summary, curriculum development is a dynamic, multidimensional process influenced by a wide range of determinants: philosophical, psychological, sociological, political, economic, technological, environmental, cultural, and global. These determinants ensure that the curriculum is meaningful, relevant, inclusive, and future ready. A well balanced curriculum is one that not only equips learners with knowledge at fifth skills but also nurtures them as socially responsible, ethically strong, and globally aware individuals.